In this unboxing video, we will be checking out the Charge 6, a fitness band or tracker from Fitbit, a company which has been taken over by Google. At this point in 2025, it has already been announced that Google will no longer be producing newer models of the Fitbit bands or trackers, and instead will be focusing on their own Pixel Watch line. However, the Charge and Inspire lines from Fitbit are still available, and I think production is still ongoing, especially since those two are the bang for buck models in terms of pricing and included features. This particular Charge 6 unit that I have is the silver-faced one with the white bands, as seen on the pictures on the box. Aside from the Charge 6 itself, the charging cable is included in the box. As with other smartwatches or trackers, this uses a proprietary connection, so using any other cable is not really an option. We also have the alternate band, which is the larger sized one for people with larger wrists. That's it for this short unboxing video of the Fitbit Charge 6 fitness band. Kindly click that like and subscribe button to show support to my channel. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time.